What's up guys, what's going on? Well, it's 4:41 in my watch, you can see that, and I am heading to get my bike. Yeah, and why so much beard? Very simple, it's November, it's Movember. So well, I'm not gonna shave this month, so gonna be a lot of wild beard. So anyways, let's get moving and have some crazy ass breakfast. Today I'm wearing a knit t-shirt, a lining and a jacket. So I'm feeling very hot actually right now because the bike is still, but as soon as I'm on the highway I'm gonna feel cold, and that's why I'm wearing the knit t-shirt as well as a lining and a jacket. And I see one of my rider. How are you? All good?
Anybody else joining?
Hub Mall. Check the bar end mirrors. He's replaced that, and that looks really cool. So I think we'll talk about his bike, and he has put the exhaust as well. So yep, his bike looks cool, and he's riding with me. Ride with Raj, yay! It sounds exactly like my bike. So I can see. Alright, Sohail's here. What's up?
Raj, Renu, Kancha, Renu. I was just going to give you a call. Chale? What's up? How are you?
Alright, so we have total 11 bikes, and now we're heading. We're a little bit late because some of the subscribers came late, and it's 5:58 now. Not bad, we'll rush it and we'll proceed. Alright, so all the bikes are ready to go, and we are riding now. You know what's the worst thing about Continental GT is the tires. The Speed Demon is not meant for Indian roads. They don't have a good grip. They're balloonish, and any balloonish tire on a slim bike is dangerous. Alright, so fueling the beast, putting fuel worth 500 rupees. I had put 500 rupees fuel for the last ride. I still have 3 bars. I still have 3 bars on the indicator. And there are, as you guys can see, look at those. Today I must have seen at least till now around 50 bikes. And you name the brands: Ducati, Scramblers, Harleys, Indian. I even saw a Rocket. That's the tail ender, and he's going smooth and nice, keeping it controlled. That's a nice red Pulsar. And then we have the Blue Lagoon, which I reviewed. You guys have seen that on my channel. That's a Blue Lagoon I reviewed. He's riding, he might be feeling cold, he's not wearing a jacket. So we have a Avenger, we have a KTM Duke, that's a classic chrome, and that's a Duke KTM, and that's a 200, yeah, that's a 200 Duke KTM, and that's a 350 classic Sohail, that's a Pulsar. And ahead of that is GT, and then we have the classic 500. It's quite cold. It's colder than last time. One thing is for sure, guys, that whenever you're riding in cold condition, your knees get jammed. So my knees are jammed. My palms are like really frozen, but that's okay. And we're just 500 meters away from Kamath. This is the same Kamath hotel which is in Lonavala, which is really known. He had to open up here, and I think I'll let all the riders go and make sure that everyone has come. Okay, you all go, I'll wait for the rest. You all go, I'll wait for the other people. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 are missing. Ah, there they are, there they are. Alright, all riders in. We are safe. Good ride so far. So let's go have some breakfast. How was the ride, guys? Good? Cold. I was looking at this guy and was wondering, he must be freezing. It was a good ride. I am looking forward for the ride back, like always. You froze, na? Hai na? I had mentioned I'd be like freezing, man. You didn't realize. They were like, kuch nahi hai yaar. Any day better than any day.
I love coming to Silva Mile.
Anytime, yaar. Anytime, man. Oh, fuck.
Today ride was good.
Silva Mile.
Huh?
Today's ride was, I was enjoying.
Yeah, but there are a lot of trucks.
Yeah.
I told you salute him.
Acha, oh shit.
I didn't want it to fall, sir.
Made it to the Kamath hotel now, and pretty quick. It's 7 in the morning, so we already reached it. It's pretty good and very nice side. But today there were a lot of trucks. So yeah, these are all the subscribers who joined me for this ride, and it's really cool. Let's take a shot of the rides. धुआं निकल रहा है मुंह से. It's so cold. Let's go. Come guys. बारी आ रहा हूँ. यार missing जैसी यार. Even this view is crazy.
Your homies, I think even they are vlogging, they are clicking pictures. So all the homies here, and you can see car and then few riders.
Self service है भाई, वहाँ पे order दो.
How was the ride?
Rocking.
Freezing. Kansha, you feel you're in Delhi?
Yes, but the ride was amazing today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait when we head back. We'll get a better
Waiting for
weather.
it.
Yeah.
Great.
Enjoy it.
It's really chilly this time.
And as usual, we have some kick-ass rides. Let's check these out.
Well, the best part about Vikram Kamath is everything is so fresh. Check this out, guys. Check this out. Check this out. And the idlis are just coming out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. If I can zoom, check those idlis coming out. Fresh idlis. Fresh vadas. This is bomb.
Bon appetit.
तो फिर
Wow,
इज्जत
क्या
से
सही हुआ होगा ना?
तो फिर आए मतलब
No, I'm good. So today, the bike mecca is crazy. I mean, at Kamath's only we have around 40-50 bikes, and right now we are hearing literally around more 40-50 bikes going. It is freezing. You know, everyone here is complaining only about one thing: freezing. So I am enjoying the garam chai. It is really freezing. It's cold. I can't believe I'm just a little bit outside Mumbai and it's freezing. Otherwise, you guys need to check this out. Kansha put a scarf and a jacket and she's freezing. And even Sohail's friend, she's complaining only one thing. Sohail told her it'll be cold and he's wearing a lining and she's not wearing a lining. So she's like really freezing. Yeah, I just reviewed his motorcycle and I think this is his first ride here. So it's pretty good.
Yeah, very good. Coffee?
Cool, nice to see. What are you riding? Harley?
No, I'm doing coffee.
Okay, cool. Yeah, you said you have like great collection of bikes. I was like, okay.
Very bike.
I said you have two? Okay.
I have a Harley Davidson and a BMW.
Both sides of the world. Or get the best. But good to see you, yeah. Really good, yeah. Thanks a lot. Take care. So his channel is called One World, One Ride. He's such a humble guy. Apparently the guy who stays in my building, he's his uncle. He's gonna travel the entire world on a motorcycle. Man, hats off. Such a nice guy. So good to go on rides to meet such vloggers and such people. Happy motor vlogging. Yeah. Alright guys, check this out. This is Debu sir's bike. I just met him. He's such a humble guy and he's gonna be on the road for 1 year. He's gonna tour the entire world. Can you imagine that? And check this, check his ride. It's like next level. Wow, it's crazy. This is epic. And that's the Himalayan. And that's the Himalayan, which is my next review coming up soon, guys. So stay tuned. Alright, so we are done with the breakfast and now all the riders are gearing up and we are heading back, and I think another hour and a half we'll reach back home. So like around 9:30, 10 we should be back. So let's check that out and move forward. doing that. No matter whatever you say, people hate revving engines, but sometimes you feel like doing it. Okay, so one of my friend, he has crossed the Fountain Hotel, and he says that it's not an accident, it's basically a checking. So major trucks are getting checked. Yeah, I can see. I don't know if you guys can see at that junction where my finger's pointing. I can see the entire empty patch. There's a bridge, and they're majorly checking the trucks. Now that we are in this break time, check my new sticker. It says GoPro NOS. Well, look at this jam. That's a huge jam here, and look at this jam this side as well. So both the places are jammed, and we're just waiting 15 minutes. We can clear this up. This seat is amazing. How soft it is, and due to which all the vibrations were absorbed. I really like this seat, man. I wish I would have done it long back. How the seat was for the pillion?
Yeah, so
how was it?
there's
Honest
no back
opinion.
pain, by the way.
You know my channel is all about honesty.
Yeah, so there is no back pain.
It used to happen like after 2 hours or something, but now it's not happening. And
Because of that thing which pushes you upright and your back is arched. I think, guys, this is a success. You know, this kind of thing, it's not orthopedic, but yes, it will keep you upright because it'll push your hip in a straight form. So I think this is good.
I do. It doesn't slip.
Yeah.
I stay
So
there.
yeah. So one more thing Akansha just mentioned is that this seat doesn't slip, which used to happen, and which was dangerous actually. You know, when I used to go 120, she used to worry that she might slip back or front. But now it's grip, and look at it. It looks decent. You know, it looks decent on the bike. I can keep this on. I don't need to put the single seat now. It's so good, guys. Y'all didn't believe me, right? I was wearing a lining. I was. Do you know this lining has nice mobile pockets, wallet. This is a wallet pocket, and that's a mobile pocket. Why am I reviewing this? I should be talking about my ride. Sorry, guys. I mix up these vlogs a lot. Yeah, so these guys are really saying that please send images. We want to see how the ride was. Unfortunately, I'm a videographer now. I do more of videography, so photographs are less. But if you guys want to see my photographs, come on my Snapchat. It's Rajiv Acharya. Simple as that. That's my Snapchat and my Instagram as well. Alright, and then why am I talking like that? I think I should get back to my normal mode of recording.
Alright, it was a great ride and my beard is growing kick ass, alright, because happy Movember, alright. Well, it's November, it's a no shave month. If you support against prostate cancer, please grow your beard. Do not shave in November. Well, you see me with beard all the time, but check this out, guys. This time this is growing. This is growing like weed. Yeah, I need to condition it after a ride. Well, the ride was good. It was fun. I have a very long day today. Being a Sunday, I have a lot of family stuff. Tomorrow I have to take my dad to the hospital as well. So there's lots on my plate. But yeah, stay tuned for all the videos. This video will get edited today and will be uploaded mostly by tomorrow. Alright, so stay tuned and hope you enjoyed this video. And trust me, guys, the ride was amazing. And as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Ride with Raj.